Welcome to Jasper, a small town with a big heart, set in one of Canada's most spectacular landscapes. Less polished than Banff, Jasper attracts those seeking adventure, wild beauty, and a true mountain town vibe. Leave your car behind. Stroll down Connaught Drive and Patricia Street, where most of the shops, cafes, and restaurants are found. But don't stop there. Jasper's hidden gems are waiting just off the main roads. And by exploring on foot, you won't have to worry about the town's tricky one-way streets. One of Jasper's treasures is the Jasper Municipal Library. It's housed in a historic 1926 building, once a Royal Canadian Mounted Police outpost. Today, it's a peaceful place with thousands of books, local art exhibits, and cozy corners for reading. Next, look for the old fire hall. Built in 1936, this rustic-style landmark still serves as a fire hall. In summer, it's also a hub for visitor information and souvenirs. Nearby stands the two Brothers Totem Pole. This striking piece, raised in 2011, tells the story of two Haida brothers who journeyed from Haida Gwaii to the Rockies. It's a symbol of adventure and the deep connections between Indigenous communities across North America. Then, of course, there's the Jasper Train Station. Built in 1925, this heritage station blends arts and crafts style with national park charm. With timber beams, cobblestone chimneys, and vintage benches, it's a proud reminder of Jasper's railway roots. Before you leave downtown, take time to browse the shops. From rugged outdoor gear to cozy souvenirs, you'll find what you need. And if you've had a big day on the trails, there are laundromats ready to help you clean up before your next adventure. Jasper's downtown, small in size, rich in stories. Thanks for joining me on this walk.